Putting a long-term maintenance strategy in place allows your team to spend their time doing what they do best. The foundation of all METTLER Toledo support plans is a preventive maintenance service, otherwise known as a PM. Proper preventive maintenance of your automated reactors and in-situ probes is more than just a series of functional tests and cleaning. A PM should actually prevent failure and minimize as many other risks as possible. A METTLER Toledo PM service includes replacing wearable parts to minimize and prevent system failure, upgrading software to increase productivity, performing diagnostic and functional qualification to ensure operational specifications, and verifying performance to ensure accurate and reproducible data. This service effectively requalifies your instrument and provides traceable, audit-proof documentation. The PM service is the starting point for any maintenance strategy. To fully address your instrument's maintenance requirements, there are two support plans that we offer: a PM and repair plan, or a PM with scheduled maintenance plan. The focus of the repair plan is to minimize downtime from an unexpected instrument failure. A streamlined repair process that eliminates the quote, budget, approval and purchase order steps, minimizing the number of days before you're back up and running again by allowing any user to initiate it with a phone call or email. The annual flat fee per instrument covers parts, labor, and travel for any on-site or depot repairs, making it easy to budget year over year. The focus of the scheduled maintenance plan is to take the preventive approach to the next level. Key components with a known lifespan are replaced during the PM based on the age of the instrument. This prevents downtime and the associated cost and inconvenience caused by the most common modes of failure. The replacement schedule of these parts, also known as the lifecycle maintenance schedule, can be found in the operator's manual. The cost of maintenance each year is determined by the parts that are due. Selecting the METTLER Toledo support plan that aligns with your maintenance strategy comes down to determining which approach better supports the work your team is doing: preventing interruptions with proactive parts replacement, or recovering from interruptions more easily. Contact your service representative to discuss your needs and support plan details for your specific instrumentation.